Instagram is ditching swipe up gesture to access links. It will replace with stickers next week.
So no more swipe up.
Whoa. That swipe up thing was always a little.
Yeah, it's weird.
Swipe up. Yeah, swipe up. You know. Yeah. I would have to put it in. I'm promoting a video. Go watch the video. Crazy new video. Swipe up. And that's the voice it would be in my head when I was seeing the swipe up thing. Starting August 30th, swipe up links will go away. To add a link to your story, use the new link sticker. So there's a designated sticker with Instagram finally getting rid of the swipe up links feature. It will be one less function differentiating users with more than 10K followers or verified from other Instagrammers. So the sticker is going to be available to all users. I did not know that the swipe up was a special feature only for certain individuals. I thought everybody had that.
The prestige.
It was a prestigious
The inner
feature.
circle.
Okay. Well, anyway,
That's kind of cool.
I guess it's cool that everybody gets the sticker now because, I mean, you look at, is that person promoting their restaurant? See, I like that. LittleLemon.com. Maybe it's not their restaurant. I don't know what the dish is. What are they selling? Either way, I like the idea that small businesses can take advantage of it now, promoting their websites and things like that, as opposed to only verified accounts and big accounts and things like that. And maybe the sticker is simpler than the swiping thing. People know how to click a sticker, don't they?
I hope so.